Today, we're delving into the world of honey fermented garlic, a delightful and potent immune system booster. I'll guide you through the process of making this wholesome concoction and shed light on its numerous health benefits. Join me on this journey. To embark on this journey, gather only a handful of essentials: raw honey, garlic, and a pristine sterilized jar. Here's a crucial tip: ensure, without a shadow of doubt, that you opt for raw, unpasteurized honey. The magic lies in its plethora of phytonutrients and enzymes essential for the fermentation process. Pasteurized honey won't cut it; it lacks the ability to kickstart the garlic fermentation and bestow those beneficial microbes vital for your gut health. Additionally, be wary of store-bought honeys laden with unnecessary additives like corn syrups. Go for the real deal, pure, raw honey. And if you're not cultivating your garlic yet, seek out top-notch organic garlic for this venture. Welcome to Healthy Habits, your go-to channel for all things wellness and lifestyle. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or stumbling upon healthy habits for the first time, I invite you to join me on this journey. Watch the entire video, and let's embark on a path towards a healthier, happier, and more vibrant you. On a side note, it's worth mentioning that onions can play a role in this process. In our household, we craft cough syrup using honey and onions, leveraging the abundant juice in onions, a topic we'll delve into shortly concerning garlic. While the combination of garlic and onions, or even a mix of both, is splendid, the focus of this video centers on honey and garlic. Both honey and garlic boast commendable medicinal properties. Garlic, a robust antibiotic, deserves a prominent place in everyone's diet. On the honey front, its virtues encompass antibacterial and antifungal attributes, coupled with potent antioxidant properties, particularly when in its raw, unprocessed form. This journey involves a straightforward three-step process, and let's kick it off with preparing the garlic. Allow me to guide you through this crucial step tailored to enhance the honey's performance in the fermentation process. Step 1 involves cracking the garlic clove open. The skin tends to fall off effortlessly, but if it doesn't, I'll guide you through an easy method. Simply use the side of a substantial, flat knife or the palm of your hand to crack it open. A swift motion or a gentle smack will do the trick. This process not only removes the skin but also serves a vital purpose. It introduces a small amount of liquid to kickstart the fermentation process. The cracking and bruising of the garlic clove facilitate the honey in acquiring the necessary elements for fermentation. When filling your chosen jar, it's crucial to only fill it about halfway with garlic. As the garlic undergoes fermentation, it will gradually sink in the honey due to the honey becoming more liquid and thin. The key is to leave enough space for expansion. In the early stages, you'll notice the honey becoming thinner in a jar that's been fermenting for 4 days, indicated by the formation of bubbles. Now, to cover the garlic, leave about an inch of honey on top, ensuring a sufficient headspace, approximately 1 to 1.5 inches. Once the garlic is in, let the honey seep down around it. If some garlic pieces lack honey coverage, gently encourage them into the honey to ensure they're fully coated. This stirring and opening process should only occur once, and I'll explain why shortly. After achieving the desired garlic amount in the jar, seal it tightly, ensuring a clean rim as you would with any canning process. Now, onto a critical step: burping. For the initial 2 weeks, burp the jar daily. Keep in mind that embarking on this process right before a vacation might not be ideal. Burping is essentially releasing gas produced during the fermentation process. When you observe the pop top on the jar, it indicates the presence of gas waiting to escape, with the lid securely closed. To release gas and prevent oxygen from entering, I quickly crack the jar open and seal it back down. If any garlic has floated to the top and needs recoating, ensure the lid is tight, flip the jar over for a moment, and then return it to its upright position. I don't recommend storing it upside down or opening and stirring it; just a simple flip once or twice a day is sufficient. Now, you can witness the fermentation process with the formation of bubbles, showcasing the interaction between honey, juices, and garlic. As for how long this concoction lasts, there are accounts of it lasting for years, but I won't specify an exact duration. If you notice any mold growth, discard it. Regarding discoloration on the garlic, some variations are acceptable and not harmful. It's important to note that refrigerating this mixture is not advisable, as it halts the fermentation process, especially crucial in the initial month. You'll need to continue burping the jar about once a day for the initial 2 weeks, followed by an additional 2 weeks for complete fermentation or until it reaches a stage where you can start consuming the garlic or use the honey as a sauce. One notable advantage of this fermented mixture is its versatility as a delicious condiment or sauce for cooking. Another benefit is the mellowing of the garlic cloves over time, making them more palatable, especially for those who find raw garlic too spicy. Additionally, this process allows you to preserve your garlic harvest, preventing it from desiccating or losing quality over time. Apart from its great medicinal properties, which I highly recommend, such as its efficacy as a cough syrup and its contribution to gut health, adding a dash of cayenne pepper can enhance its flu-fighting capabilities. For those concerned about botulism, rest assured that raw honey's acidic pH, essential for using in this process, creates an environment where botulism cannot survive. It's crucial to use raw, natural, unfiltered, and unprocessed honey, as the processed varieties from stores may not have the correct pH and should be avoided. If fermentation seems complete after 7 days, and the jar top is no longer popping, you can cease the burping process, using your best judgment. Thanks for watching the process of making this honey fermented garlic.